Hello, this is Dr. Hugo Gonzales, clinical psychologist. And thank you very much for joining again on our YouTube channel, Insight. Today we are going to continue what we started last time, and we are going to talk about couples and marriage and relationships. And one of the very important issues to talk about here is how to resolve arguments. So resolving arguments in a marriage can be challenging, but with effective communication and willingness to understand each other's perspectives, you can find common grounds and strengthen your relationship. We are going to talk about some tips on how to navigate and resolve arguments in your marriage. Firstly, you need to listen actively. Give your spouse your full attention when they are experiencing their thoughts and feelings. So it's very important to avoid interrupting or formulating your response without listening to your partner speaking. And when you are listening and when you are hearing your partner, show empathy and try to understand with their point of view. Secondly, try to communicate calmly. Choose your words very carefully and express your thoughts and feelings in a calm and respectful manner. Please avoid using accusatory language or attacking your spouse personally. Focus on the issue at hand rather than bringing up past conflicts. Third, practice compromise. Marriage is a partnership, and compromising is essential. Look for solutions that meet both your needs and find a middle ground where you can both feel satisfied. Remember, it is not about winning or losing. It's about finding a resolution that works for both of you. Fourth, take breaks if you need it. Sometimes emotions can escalate during an argument. If things start to get heated, take a break and give yourselves time to cool down. This can help prevent saying things that you may regret later. Once you both feel calmer, reconvene and continue the discussion. Fifth, seek to understand. Try to understand the underlying reasons behind your spouse's perspective. Ask open questions to gain insight into their thoughts and emotions. Show empathy and validate their feelings, even if you don't necessarily agree with their point of view. Sixth, avoid blame and defensiveness. Instead of blaming each other for the problem, focus on the issue itself. Take responsibility for your part in the conflict and work together to find a solution. Avoid becoming defensive, as it can hinder open communication and resolution. Seventh, seek professional help if needed. If you find yourself regularly struggling to resolve conflicts, or if the arguments becomes too intense, seeking the guidance of a couple therapist can be beneficial. A professional can provide a neutral perspective and teach you effective communication techniques to resolve conflicts. Remember, disagreements are a normal part of any relationships. It is how you handle them that can make a difference. By practicing effective communication, empathy, and a willingness to compromise, you can resolve arguments in your marriage and build a stronger, more harmonious relationship. Thank you for following our channel.